Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video, and today we have an Ipsy unbagging. Yes, Ipsy time. This video is actually before another video which I'm gonna do, so you might see a repeating products. Okay, let's get into this. If you don't know what Ipsy is a $12 a month free subscription box where you get sample size products, 5 sample size products, just to try out some stuff that you might have never heard of. And you just be like, oh, it's interesting. It comes with a profile. You fill out a profile so it's catered to you. And also every single 21st or 25th or around the 20 type of day, you get to choose one specific product, and then they do a whole bag of makeup or skincare or hair care or just a whole bag of stuff surrounding that one product. This month is kind of all skincare. I'm not gonna hold you because I chose a skincare product. I kind of figured that, but I kind of like majority of the stuff that I can remember in my bag. Again, you choose one product, and then on the second when you do add-ons, you get a little look-see, and I got a little look-see. So let's get into this and let's open up the bag. This month's bags look like this. It says Ipsy right here in silver. It's like hollow theme. The theme of this month is the future is yours, so it's kind of like a little futuristics. Kind of giving me Xenon Z3 vibes. What about you? It comes with a card that says like nothing useful on it anymore besides save the date for 8/24, where you could choose one of your September products. Cool. 8/24, great. Speaking of 20th, the 23rd, JoJo's concert. Can't wait. Might vlog the whole thing if I can. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, because I got like a little look-see and stuff, I kind of did the math of how much everything is, and the first thing we got is the Skin Regimen Microlage Essence. It's illuminating lotion. This right here, it has 0.5 fluid ounces, 15 ml, and it retails for $11.25. The full size retails for $75. Wow. So I'm definitely going to test you out. It says with a unicellular blah 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 longevity complex, it maintains ideal hydration and recharges the skin, giving a healthy glow. So it just wants to give you a healthy glow. Cool. So wintertime, basically, because as you can see with the new makeup, I definitely already have a healthy glow. The next thing is from Hey Honey. This is the takeaway, the Drama Youthful Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. This is what I was talking about. This retails for, well, the big size retails for $49, and this little guy right here retails for $9.80. $9.80 if you didn't get it. Okay. So these are some really expensive like samples. This right here retails for $6. This is from Tasha. This is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. 6 months after opening. Well, this is only gonna last me like 3-4 sprays, but I do love this product, so I'm not mad about it. Not mad about it at all. This was one of the choices. I didn't choose this. I chose something else, but I'm glad I didn't choose it because I got what I chose, and also this. It was between this and the one I chose, which I'm about to show you, but I'm glad I got both of them. Okay, again, I am combo oily, but hey, I got luminous hydration. I guess it's because I picked this. This is the Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. I got this because I just wanted some brighter under eyes. I didn't know I was going to get a whole bunch of stuff that I'm going to be using in the winter time. This little baby right here retails for $7.80, and the big boy retails for $39. I got it. I fell, but I got it. Yep. This is what it looks like inside. It has like an iridescent pearl, if you can see it. Ooh, it's really thick because I'm like holding it down and it's not slipping. So that's really cool. I put some on my hand, and as you can see, it has a purple tint. So I guess it will get rid of the under eyes, but it has a purple tint. Huh. Didn't know what to expect with Glam Glow products, so that's the reason why I did not buy it with the add-ons. So yeah, gonna definitely test this baby out and tell you through my end of the month reviews, or probably next month's end of the month reviews. So one of those, or one of those, or one of those, or one of those. Yes. The last product, I have no idea what this retails for, is because they didn't have the ounces or the milliliters on the website, and because of that I could not get how much this retails for. But the bag is supposed to be $50 worth of product for $12. It's looking like it's not, because I'm gonna add everything up and I'm gonna tell you how much everything is besides this, because I don't know how much this is, and I'm gonna tell you how much this is supposed to be, because it's crazy. So the bag overall retails for $34.85, $34.85, and this is supposed to be $15.15. That's how much this is supposed to be. $15.15 for this. I mean, the big size does cost 21 bucks, but still, it's a lip gloss. This is the Real Her lip gloss in the shade, it's color rich lip gloss in the shade Be Limitless. I don't know if you can see it because it's like really tiny. Really tiny. It has a paddle dofa. It kind of smells like Play-Doh, but not in a good way. This is what it looks like on my lips, and that's what it looks like swatch. I kind of still smell it. That's just bad. I could still smell it, and I kind of feel like I could taste it, but I didn't even lick my lips. Oh my gosh. I don't like the smell of this. It's not sticky, not gloopy, really good gloss, just the smell. Just the smell. Okay, that's it. I liked everything in my box besides the lip gloss. I mean, if the smell dies down and if it's this first opening, then that would be a hit. Out of everything, this bag is 4 out of 5 because of that lip gloss. I thought I was gonna love that lip gloss. Oh, the smell's done. The smell's gone. Oh my gosh, but I still, why have that smell in the first place? Why? Anyways, that's it for my Ipsy Glam bag unbagging. How do you like it? How do you like my box? Let me know down below in the description box. Let me know down below in the comments. The link for Ipsy will be in the description box, plus my Macari if you want to check out my store, buy some stuff if you want, put some cash in your girl pocket. Okay, that's it for my Ipsy, and I hope you guys have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this. Bye, you guys. The future is yours.